I'm gonna show you how to remove a downstream oxygen sensor from this 2015 Honda Civic. It'll be a good idea to wear safety glass because you'll be under the car looking up and you don't want anything to fall on your eyes. It's also helpful to have a light like this so you can see better. I already securely placed the car on jack stand, so I'm gonna get under the car. Another thing, right now the engine is cold, so I'll be okay to touch the exhaust pipe. This is the location of the downstream oxygen sensor. There's nothing wrong with this oxygen sensor. I'm gonna remove it because I need to work on the exhaust pipe. There's a leak I'm trying to fix. So there's a wire connect to the oxygen sensor, and then if you look up there, there's an electric connector. I got disconnect that. There's no place to put the camera, and I don't have another person helping me record, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to record myself removing disconnecting the connector. I got it out. I'll explain to you what I did. I have my right hand up here, and then it went around here. My right hand. So my right hand was holding it like this. My left hand push on this tab. My left hand push here, and then the left hand push on this tab. And then my right hand push this out of from the other connector. To remove the oxygen sensor, I'm gonna use this oxygen sensor socket. So the way it works is I'm gonna just put this ratchet here, insert it in, and to loosen it'll be counterclockwise, so I'll be turning it this way. You gotta be careful, cause once you break it loose, your hand or your arm might swing and hit something. So be careful. If this did not work, the next thing I would do is use this pipe and put it in here for leverage. To install the downstream oxygen sensor, if you're gonna reuse it, you should put anti-seize on the thread. If you got a new one, and if the new one has anti-seize on it already, then you don't need to put anti-seize on it. This is the socket I used to remove the oxygen sensor, but I think this one will work also. To install the downstream oxygen sensor, just thread it back in. Use the oxygen sensor socket to tighten it. Reconnect the electric connector, and the installation is finished. These are anti-seize, and I did put some around the thread.